Hello you guys, welcome back to Vlogmas Day 8. Can you believe it is Day 8 already? 8 days of consistent uploads? Who am I? But yeah, let me know if you guys are enjoying the Vlogmas videos. I'm really surprised that it's already been 8 days, which means Vlogmas is 1/4 over? I don't know. Yeah, let's get into today. Well, I get into the living room and of course Mr. Callaghan is playing his brand new PS5. Look at Look at the graphics. It looks really cool. Are you gonna teach me how to play?
Yeah.
Got the candle burning, the fresh balsam. We have a camera thing right here.
Welcome to my bedroom.
You haven't been in my vlog yet.
At all today?
No.
Hello.
Hello.
Welcome to my bedroom. Do you want to get a cribs tour? Do you want a tour? Wait, you gotta go to the door and knock.
Oh, okay.
Don't mind
Sorry.
the Tito's on the floor.
I actually mind the Tito's on the floor. That's iconic.
Hey, what's up, MTV? I'm Remy. Welcome to my crib.
Hell yeah!
First up, we have a little wild sloth sitting on the bed.
Oh my god, those are expensive.
I know,
How
and
much?
she's the tricolor, $75 million.
Oh my god!
And when it does that, it costs extra.
Can I touch
It
it?
can also do this trick. Shake. Shake, Daisy.
Oh.
25 million more. Okay, this is my bedroom, mine and Cal's bedroom. So over here, this is where Moana sleeps, her little crate.
God. Do you put Cal in here?
Yeah, if he's being really bad.
Chanel surfboards?
These are...
Louis Vuitton!
These are they? Yes, Louis
Vuitton!
surfboards. I got them from an Instagram ad. They're not real, but they're cute.
Very rich of you.
Thank you so much. This is my rug that I got.
Ooh, a rug.
That's washable. Did you know you can like literally just put the whole thing in the washing machine?
Are they ruggable?
Yes, ruggable.
I love.
We've got the bed here. Which
Oh,
is
we have a mini fridge?
iconic cloud, but she's in black
Ooh.
to add some contrast. The reason I picked this house is because of these black ceiling things. They're down here or up here and they're downstairs. I thought it added so much to the house, so I wanted to add black accents to really elevate the space. Over here we have a mini fridge, which like I make some tea here at night. I'll make tea. And these little canisters, we have nothing in that one.
You don't want to show
My
that.
back here. My tea bags are back here. And then in here we have wine on the right side. You know, if you want an occasional glass of wine. Also, Cal has all his hard seltzers in there because he drinks those when he records his podcast. We have the fireplace on.
Ooh.
You can change the color.
The vibes are immaculate, honey.
The color. Change the heat. Change everything. And then we just organized the closet just now. Over here we have the shoes. Shoes are here. And then over here is all Cal stuff. We have all his sweatshirts.
Ooh, very
I made him buy
Caucasian.
this sweater the other day so he could look like Chris Evans in Knives Out. We've got hoodies here. We got flannels. All of
Lil
his, like,
hoodie
golf
and
shirts.
big hoodie.
Lil hoodie. We've got more shoes up there. We got more stuff. These are all his t-shirts. And then over here we have my section, which is my jackets and my
The
dresses.
rich section, honey. Ooh.
Thank you.
Delightful.
Delightful.
Okay, amazing work.
Thank you. Got my tea.
I'll send you the check. Hi, Momo. Momo Marie. Momo Marie. Momo. Hello, Momo. Good morning. Playing. They're besties. Ooh. Momo said, back up. Hello, everyone. I thought I'd just update the vlog. We decided to do something very important today. We're going to the Dairy Queen. I've waited a very long time and there's not a lot near me, so this is the perfect opportunity to go. I will say it is a 30-minute drive, so there's that. The things we will do for ice cream, but we're actually making Cal drive, so. Pure. Ooh. Oh.
Oh, it goes like this. Buy crazy dinner. Big lemon.
Ooh. Oh, wow. Oh.
How do you make your ass shake?
Spread your legs apart.
I feel like it's my
And shake your
thigh
thighs.
jiggling.
You shake the thighs. Ooh. Delicious.
Look, babe.
What?
Look what this company sent me.
What is it?
Open it. What is it?
Something for us to use later.
Oh.
What is it, Cal?
We don't have to talk about it.
It's
Coconut oil. Get the kettle ready.
If you know, you know. We have made it to the iconic Dairy Queen. The couple is here.
No.
Noise.
No.
I'm so excited. The blizzards look so good. Remy is making us stir-fried noodles. Like, how does one know how to cook? Like, I just don't. Like,
Figure it
what?
out.
What is, ma'am?
We got noodles.
Can you explain what you made today?
It's just a udon
Jess.
noodle.
Jess.
We got veggies. We got beef. It's just stuff that we found in the freezer, honestly.
Oh yeah, just what is this?
Roasted bone marrow.
How
We
do you
got
eat
little
it?
baguette. You put it on top of bread.
What is this green thing?
Never seen that
Green
before.
stuff.
Yum 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 napkins.
Wow. This is not okay. Cal, I don't think I'm gonna leave anytime soon.
Nope.
This is the lie. So what are you making again?
It's a toasted baguette with a little jam, a little brie cheese, and then this is bone marrow.
Okay.
So it's really fatty. We honestly, Cal and I ate it when we went to like a buffet once, and we were obsessed. So then I found it at the store. I accidentally looked up bone marrow transplants. Not what we wanted. I was like, what is this? Oh, the noodles.
Oh my god. This is a masterpiece. I can't quite describe the flavor. I've been sent to Flavortown, USA. Hello, you guys. It is now the end of the night. We watched The Princess Switch. It was a really good movie. We ended up passing out, but we did finish the whole thing. So I haven't done a subscriber comment part of my video in a few days, and honestly it's just because I was just in the moment getting all the content until the very last second to get a vlog up for you guys, so I haven't been keeping up with that. Decided today I'm gonna do 2 instead of 1, so gotta love that. The first comment I really enjoyed. This comment is from Miss Brooklyn. She says, his personality is so refreshing because he's not fake at all, like most people these days. Well, you know, I try to keep it real on my channel, and I try to be as authentic as possible. I show you guys kind of like my viewpoint and my perspective of everyone and myself. I don't have time for the fakery, and I'm sure you guys don't either. It's been too long, too many inauthentic influencers. And as someone who has observed this from the outside, I definitely don't want to be one of those people that is inauthentic with their audience. I want you guys to know the truth and who I really and truly am, and I'm glad that you guys see that, and a lot of you gave this a thumbs up, so period. Alright, the next comment is a longer one, but Annabelle Samantha, by the way, I have creeped on your channel before, and I think I watched like your ex-boyfriend tagged. Loved it, by the way. Literally, when I tell you guys I creep on you, I literally do. So if you comment on my videos, we are friends, period. So she wrote a really long comment, but I'm only gonna read the first part of it because the rest of it was pretty much advice for me, which I will definitely be taking. But she said, I started following you when you were in the background of a video Lindsay posted years ago when she was at fashion school. If you didn't know, I went to FITM with Lindsay Hughes. She says, I loved your energy and humor in the short snippets I saw and followed your Instagram. I recently started rewatching Alicia's videos and binging them all and seeing you, and suddenly I was like, what? Ollie? And then I saw you had your own channel and I knew I had to follow. You're hardworking, down to earth, you don't beat around the bush with faking things, and you say it like how it is, all whilst being a spiritual, fun, and interesting person. My challenge to you, the top of this weekend's notes list. Don't compare yourself and Vlogmas to anyone else. We don't want to see the same content, same style, and same exact editing. Period. That is honestly really good advice, and I will definitely be taking that. I'm glad that you guys see my authentic truth. I do work a full-time job, and I'm trying to get Vlogmas done at the same time, live in the moment, So it's definitely a hard balance. I definitely didn't expect it to be this hard, but at the same time, it's so fun and you guys are really loving it. So obviously I'm going to continue to do it. Just an honest life update. I have been pretty stressed lately. I haven't started like my meditation journey yet. I honestly just don't have time for it. Like I don't even have time to watch America's Next Top Model. And that means I literally have zero free time. And if you want to be my next subscriber shout out, leave a comment below. I will try my best to shout you guys out in every vlog at the end of it and have a little like sit down debrief moment, I guess. Let me know, like, do you guys enjoy shorter vlogs or longer vlogs too? I kind of want some like feedback from my vlogmases, like what you're enjoying, what could do better. You know, I'm learning. I've only been doing this for a few months, just a reminder. We are doing our best and I feel like I am getting a bit better. That is all I have to say for tonight. I hope you guys are staying safe and healthy, and thank you so much for supporting my vlogmases. You guys have been going so hard and I see you all. I appreciate you all, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.